my juniors from Periwinkle are now going to perform one humorous play about a lion who always sleeps and snores. Let's see how other animals in the jungle react to it. Thank you.
Thank you.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the Near the village, the peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Near the village, the quiet village, the Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight.
Don't baby. Is that how the king of the jungle should be? Amma, are you not bothered about it? Don't be upset, Hutoxi. It is good that we have a gentle lion as a king. What if we had a cruel king instead? But look at him. All day, he does just two things. He eats, he sleeps. Shanmugam sleeps for 20 hours a day. The rest of the time he eats. The more he eats, the longer he sleeps. Did you say that Shanmugam does just two things? No, he does three things. He eats, he sleeps, and he snores. The whole jungle hears his loud snores. When Shanmugam takes a deep breath, his tummy becomes round. When Shanmugam lets his breath out, his tummy becomes flat. It's great fun sitting on Shanmugam's tummy. Bahadur, come along for the joyride. No, I will not. I don't like the idea of sitting on Shanmugam's tummy. Someone, stop him snoring. Shanmugam's snores only when he sleeps on his back. I will turn him around with my trunk. Thank you, Amma. Now the jungle is peaceful and quiet. Kamalanayan, why are you running? What happened, Kamalanayan? Why do you look so scared? I am coming from the desert. I came to meet you all. But on the way, I saw Gabbar Singh entering our jungle. Oh, let's all hide. Ha 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 ha. This looks like a good spot. I see no lion pug marks around. There must be no lion in this jungle. I smell a horse. I smell a rabbit. I smell piglet. A monkey? Baby elephant? Zebra? Is that a camel I smell? Ha 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 ha. This jungle is wonderful. Oh, I'm so scared. Little one, stay close to me. See what a useless king we have. But as long as we have Shanmugam as our king, we can roam free in the jungle. But if that nasty Gabbar Singh comes, we will have a horrible time. Shanmugam, wake up! Wake up, Shanmugam! What is the use? Even if he wakes up, if that fellow sees what a soft, gentle king we have, he will throw Shanmugam out of the jungle. I have an idea. I know what to do. Amma, please come with me. Never heard a roar like that before. There must be a really big, strong lion in the jungle. I will never come back here again. I will run away before he sees me. Yeah! Bahadur, what a clever elephant you are! Very good, Bahadur. Your idea saved us all. What happened? Did my sparring disturb you? No, not at all. No, I had a bad dream. I am worried. Shanmugam, don't worry. Be happy. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. 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 Hakuna Matata.
Thank you. Now we see the animals here. So we have Avani, Agastya, Chinmayi, Rashmika, Vaibhav, Mitra, Tanvit, Sumed, Lasyavi, Shridanya, Shriya and Tanesh. Hi Debansh, can you get up? Enough sleeping? Come, we'll eat. We'll have snacks. Come. Thank you.